Minglavashin, collocation mikoni the bogo to do Yambi Pichaya. But also Nine Bajangi Pimles Radia, skin and scan logime, copyright, free trade, copyright, ownership. So Rally, Mia do it is where has already sabai the copyright in a pathetic Jangi Pimle. So no sapaya. No one in Parliament would know better than the Peter Garrett what alleges copyright can offer, so it may seem right that he should announce a blank for artists amounting to 5% of all sales after the original one, which can go on giving to their family for as much as 150 years. Rodiniama copyright down at the Bima Pure, Pure Kama, Tugali, who the artist table, no, and Nupinya the Mari, to low tie a low lady ma. Original one go sale low like that. The original one can yala of sorry 5% go through ye family stays go Nepal the young as a law a tipin and also a jam young no so Rodinama Gia artist will pay me a jamya artist the family will pay me a jamya but he should announce a blank here shima a she does one now we tell me so you know option you G like me. So Rodimachi like that come a floating and bravery ga adjective. Oh, pay me bono. So loyalty, she a loyalty surao, the sashi murobaru than you pure so to Makina no loyalty be jame. Loyalty sura like bobo. Through Samuka logos and you not the cuckoo low get the jamulo and looking at Mari, low tare yaboma. Through low tare who and looking at J logos and you not Samuka and looking at J riot at so right through ye. The anama level or sales canny 5% yara, both family pay look at the jamulo, riot got him and okay, Sapaya, but that ignores the truth that copyright law is a blank. Recently, blank by the Free Trade Agreement with the US, which require extension of copyright to 70 years after that. So, Dabi Mele, Elu Biobi Mele, the whole bachelor sapura that the Jamo contradict idea, that ignore the gay who accept man copyright lawyer, accept man who ignore. Located is a blank, Papinida lady. A look your at the Jamo now later. Chia ang nang lima. Behali pinang humiliation jaram pinang. No? So who copyright law, humiliation law measuram pinang. So behali pinang, so scandally pinang. No? The insult ka jarole, have a hotel nang le hotel, no duale, who dimaso in the pinang. Mamma move on not a so copyright lawyer scandal period get a man line your army so you know the truth car to look in recently planned by the Free Trade Agreement or recently by so in buy a shame as on yado actually past participle no so option D like the upon or past participle so past participle exercise by the Free Trade Agreement copyright lawyer exercise look or Mapinanu achieve Mapinanu to Ali with the truth car scandal pinide recently so scandal pinide so that has a like a crime removal no who Macau had to pinide so exercise to achieve lem home nabu solution exacerbated exacerbated so Bobo be so say that or not to get Mandayani so Bobo be so say that so Free Trade Agreement with US Jamulu no Bobo be so say that. Is it scandalous that really valuable copyright ends up in the ownership of corporation? And must have your how me the lara and no scandal pit there to be your how me the lara to get there. Although Agatha Christians no doubt worthy grandchildren are still blank the benefits of West End success for her whodunits and members of the Garrick Club enjoying the continuing fruits of A.A. Milne's Christopher Robin books. Okay. So Dihalia Hokala so example in so example in the Anubinya who grandchildren who change benefit are still so who change benefit go back. so yin pay type option လို့ကြည့်ရအောင် what လက်ရှိမှာ R လေးရှိတယ်ဆိုတော့ ဘာရင်ကြီးလေးထည့်မယ် reaching gaining garnishing reaping ပေါ့နော် benefit ကို reaching လုပ်မလား R still to grandchildren နေရာဒီ benefit ကိုဘာဖြစ်နေလဲအခုချိန်ထိရနေမယ်ဆိုတဲ့အတိတ်ပဲလေးပေါ့နော်ရနေမယ်ဆိုတဲ့အတိတ်ပဲလေးဆိုတော့အခုကဒါကလေသူတို့ဒီ benefit ကိုသူတို့လှုပ်ထားတဲ့ဟာရတာမျိုးသူ့ရဲ့အဖိုးပေါ့နော်အဖိုးရဲ့အနုပညာတစ်ခုခုရဲ့အကြောင်းမလို့ဆက်ပြီးမှရနေတဲ့ဟာမျိုးဆို consequence အနေနဲ့ဆက်ပြီးရနေတာမျိုးဆိုတော့ gaining အစား reaping ကိုထည့်ပေးမယ် okay နော်ဆိုတော့အဲ့လိုမျိုးဖြစ်တယ်တဲ့ဆိုတော့ no the blank is that being Tencent's politicians have attempted to appear culture by create private assets which depend on the act of parliament for their existence and by giving away much more in value than any public benefit. Put blank into put blank. Okay, so the blank is that. The humiliation, slander, scandal, insult, Russia. Who do I join it up? Or Daya, like a crime, who call a halal, so the coherence scandal, not the scandalous or no, so be matter. Get it a scandal, or new bars of people. No, now so much are well a click, a shinalima. Benefit could blank. In doing so, they have betrayed our trust. So, dilo lochin api dilo pime so benefit ka could batin nai. Could ye anama so base for me like testifying that. Benefit ka testifying pimela justifying that, rectifying that, satisfying that. So any public benefit justifying here, no justifying here so confirm the logic be a PLOGG. တော့ဖြေထားတဲ့အဖြေလေးတွေအားလုံးမှန်ပါတယ်ကျေးဇူးတင်ပါတယ်